excited na ako na mapanood ng show. Sana ma-appreciate nyo guys.
Yes, yes!
Thank you so much, Anthony Jennings. Next up, Maurice Raclan!
Hello everyone! Kumusta kayo lahat? Woo! Dami nyo! Thank you so much for coming tonight. Excited na ba kayo sa Incognito? Kami rin, super! Mag-enjoy lang tayo tonight and thank you so much for coming. Love you guys.
Okay, from me, from Fans Club po ng DJ Forever, Anthony, will start with you. Can you think of one word that would describe the bond? Can you think of one word that would describe the bond that you have sa Incognito team? One word that would describe the bond that you guys have a cast.
Curly. Kulot.
Kulot. Parang buhok ni Anthony. Kulot.
Para si Anthony.
Oo, para si Anthony. Okay, Maurice, go ahead. One word to describe your bond with the Incognito team. Tight. Tight. Okay. Next naman, we have another question from DJP Armies from Joanna. Goals you want to achieve this 2025? Anthony?
Goals?
Yes.
Sige, kayo muna. What to achieve
Yes.
ngayong taon?
Anong gusto mo i-achieve, Anthony?
Kahit isa lang.
Gusto mo maayos na kalagayan na, healthy na.
Yes.
Healthy.
Healthy. Okay, Maurice?
To be stronger.
Be stronger.
Naman for Maurice from Roget, from Maurice Stellers Official, how does it feel na finally nakapag-action genre ka na?
Grabe, super exciting. Sobrang happy ko na naging part ako ng Incognito. Kasi ako, my whole life, siguro hindi ko akalain na magiging part ako ng action series. So to be part of this, it's very surreal. So this is like a chance for me to showcase my other skills na hindi ko alam na meron pala ako. So yeah, abangan nyo lang mga baril-baril.
Bang bang!
That's it!
Bang, bang. I love it. But of course, in line with the question from Rodjen,
Yes.
we also have a question from Kathy from Maurice Stellers Official. Siyempre, kilala natin si Maurice. It's napakakalog, funny, di ba? Ngayon naman, action. So, besides the action side of your character, what else are you most excited for that your character brings?
Excited ako sa mga niya, dahil my character here is actually a spy. So, she shapeshifts, she changes her appearance, she speaks so many languages, so excited ako gawin yung mga eksena na yun and to infiltrate groups for the sake of our mission.
Oh my gosh, medyo curious na ako. Did you take language
Well,
classes?
there's one nag-aral ako on the spot. I had to talk to a bunch of very nice Italians. So, tinuruan nila ako magsalita ng Italian. So, buong eksena ko sa Italy, nag-Italian lang.
May basic Italian ba dyan na nakalala mo?
What? Sorry?
What? Next time na.
Next time na.
Nakalimutan ko din.
Sa Incognito na lang, yun na lang abangan. Okay, para naman kay Anthony from Mary Ann Javier, what lesson have you learned from working with the other casts of Incognito?
Marami naman. Mostly na mga natutunan ko, kaila Sir Passion, kay Sir Bench, yun yung mga instructor natin sa Atlantica, naging maraming lessons. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman agad-agad matututunan yung isang ganun. Parang SWAT team talaga yung ginagawa namin.
SWAT team?
Oo, parang kami police na nag-rate na mga so, hindi siya ganun talaga. Mahirap talaga. May mga tama ka ng airsoft bala sa katawan. Ako lagi tinatama.
Ikaw ang target. Paborito ka. Sabi nga ni Daniel, di ba, physical? Oo, physical talaga. Tsaka,
Pero masaya kasi natututunan mo siya na kumuha pa rin siya. Feeling ko kaya pa rin siya gamitin dito. If ever lang naman. Ay, depende sa akin sa rin.
Hey, pasabang ka, Anthony, isa.
Kasi pa lang.
Charot. Okay. So, syempre, Anthony, you talked about yung mga learnings na natutunan mo dito sa show. Could you also talk to us about, on a scale of 1 to 10, ito, galing kay Julia Nicole, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate yung growth mo as an actor dito sa Incognito? And why? O, di ba may and why?
Mga 8. Mga 8 after 10. Mga 8.
Mga 8?
Mga 8.
Bakit?
Kasi siyempre, big show siya eh. So, ang dami namin, maraming stunts, ang daming... First time ko makapasok sa napakalaking show talaga. So, yun lang, 8 out of 10. Marami pa akong matututunan in the future.
Yes, I love it.
Thank you, Anthony. Ngayon naman,